Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks. I'm in HobbyCraft and they do have some more of the twist and shout. So I will get a couple to add to the ones that I've got already. So I get that colour as well. So I get a couple of those. But I've really come in to see if I can get the right colour grey. Oh, looking promising, as long as it's not Caron. See the empty shelves? Loads and loads more. But here we go. What's this? Women's Institute Premium Acrylic DK. Perfect colour. I brought, just bear with me a second while I fiddle around in my bag. I brought the other one. Yep, that's perfect colour. Contrast. So 3 for 2, we'll get 3. That should definitely be enough. So that'd be perfect. Wow, didn't take me long to find that, did it? But look, I can't believe all these empty shelves. Every time I come here, it gets worse. It's like there's a national yarn shortage. But obviously there's not. That's another point. I do want to get some white. And this is 3 for 2, so we'll get it here. Got a feeling that 3 should be enough. That's for my project too. So I'm going to have a little look around, show you what's here. Or should I say, what is not here? Crazy. Never seen it this bad. Never. It seems odd that this would be a pattern. Just saying. So, yeah, this is the Knitcraft version. So like their own brand, but this is all DK, everyday DK. This is always good value. It's £1.20. Very, very, very soft. So, and then you get the Women's Institute yarn. Up this end, there's not any more pastel shades along here that I fancy for my project. Got the blue last time I was here, well, that beautiful turquoise anyway, and I got this peach colour, but other than that they're not really that many pastel shades. Just keep on the lookout for a nice one, just so that if I see one for that project I'll be able to do it. I'm sure 3 is enough. You know, probably 2 is enough and I could get another white, but I don't really want to mess up. This is very shiny. What have we got here? Upside down. This is the Soft and Silky. Very fine. I think it's 4-ply, which I believe you call Sport. That's a nice pom-pom maker. It's a pretty good set. I have a few pom-pom makers. There's like lots in this one. £4. No, £6 even. Might get that, we'll see. Might end up putting it back. So this is the, look at that colour. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, only got one. Twist and shout. That's beautiful. Didn't see that last time. Sorry, I'm trying to get it with one hand. Didn't see that last time I was here. I feel it may just leap into my basket. Gary came in with me. He wanted to have a look at some of the looms, and straight away he's picking up all this line. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like that. But it's like, no, I don't like that colour, Gary. Look at that. Bless him. Let's try. So this is lovely. I've got some of this. Really nice stuff actually, because it's 3 for 2, and it's ever so soft. Really, really nice. And it's the soft and cuddly. They're 50-gram balls. They are £3.50, which isn't cheap for a 50-gram ball, but on a 3 for 2 it's not so bad. But I don't want any more of that. So we've got up here, this. That's where all the sparkly stuff lives. It's the baby kind of sparkly. This is more soft and cuddly. We've got that colour and the pink. And a variegated one. Always upside down. That's quite nice. And they've got it in a bit of a yellow colour. Not my cup of tea though, that one. But so they've got some nice bits and bobs. Some more DK. What's this stuff? Looks like t-shirt yarn. Oh wow. Return of the Mac. Obviously macrame yarn, and it feels like it too. For making macrame stuff. Not particularly nice. So around this side, oh that's nice. Oh, that is beautiful. It's Peter Pan, which they don't have much of anymore. That's soft though, baby cotton. That is beautiful. Don't have a lot left, as you can see. What we've got up here? Sirdar, no label on that one. Oh, not much of a label on that one. Well, that's seen better days. Sirdar Crofter. Definitely seen better days, that has. And Sirdar Snuggly. It's been around for many, many years, Snuggly. That's quite a nice colour. Scheme. I won't say why because I don't like it. Got some fluff up here, Sirdar Snuggly Fluffy. And this stuff, which is, what's bad? Rico Baby. Cotton soft. Baby, but not nice colours, I wouldn't have thought, for babies. They've got a little bit more like of the feels like butter. They've got blue and red. It's a nice one. Nice red. It does feel ultra soft. It's £5.50. £5.50 per ball. I do have some of it. Baby Blossom Chunky is very nice. That's Hayfield, but that's one of those that makes the little flower. Then we've got the well jazzy stuff at the bottom. Baby Marble by James C Brett at the bottom there. Pretty colours. I do have some of that though already. That's a nice one. This is that Baby Blossom Chunky, but it's a lovely pink. People are like thinking, what the heck is she doing? Well, they tune in to CrochetRocks, they'll find out, won't they? What else do we got? This is the Sirdar section, really. Snuggly, but in these balls. Not really into those at the minute. That's very orange. Very orange. I've got a few in the wrong place, but more empty shelves. Baby Bonus. Not that soft. And then we've got the groovies in the yarn. Still love this colour and this one. Do have some of that though. All those mandalas, yes. Was gonna maybe have a look. This one is the one I have. So I might get another one. Oh, my bag is attacking me. And what's this one? That's nice. What's that called? I can't tell because yarn bands are horrible. This must be Happy. That's the ombre again. I have another one. There is Happy though, I saw it last time we were here. What's that called? Leader of the Pack. It's very fibery. Acrylic and alpaca. Not very nice colours though. And then we've got these, which I do love, not have enough of. And we've got some Caron cakes at the bottom. Move over this side. The amigurumi yarn is a bit sparse. Been a bit of a run on that. Maybe people are getting it for Christmas. And the Kobu, there's a few, but not many. That's very bright. Cotton Blend. And then we've got the Sugar and Creams. You all know this place better than me by now. Empty shelves galore. Look at that. Can you believe it? I might just ask them why when I get to the checkout. I keep forgetting when I'm here. Forget to ask. I don't know what that was. They have a lot of that where they don't have yarn bands on things and they're probably in the wrong place. That's an interesting green. I actually do need a green, but It's a specific green that I need. Get your fluff on. It's like a cloud. It does, looks like a cloud. What? Sorry. Just says fashion yarn. Doesn't give me a weight. And then we've got the big cabley stuff, what's left of it. And these, I always think they look nice, but they're a bit rough. West Yorkshire Spinners signature. Does feel a bit rough. I wouldn't want to wear it, I'd be itching. You know, those when you're young and your parents make you wear a jumper and it's itching. That's what that reminds me of. Got some of this. So yeah, more empty shelves where the Hayfield Spirit used to be. That's all that's left. And we've got some kits, but these are for latch hooks. I had a go at that when I was younger. Like the owl. Oh, they'd be good for kids, wouldn't they? I think Sophia might be a bit young. I did try to teach her to do that little bit of dolly knitting, but she was kind of half listening and half not listening. It was just not going to work. So here's the looms, and these are well cheap really, because in Dunelm this one was £18, and you can get that one and this one for £18. So that's what Gary was looking at. This is the yarn he liked. He brought it over, and I said it's the shawl one. Winner takes the shawl, but it's the gold. Just wasn't really my cup of tea. And now we're all the Bernat and the chinchilla and the flutterby. Very, very sparse on the shelves now. As you can see, this whole section of where the fashion yarns are just decimated. It's a good word, isn't it? So here we are, we've got the equipment and the silks up there. But what I'm kind of intrigued by is this one. What's the difference? I don't like it when they look difficult. Do you know what I mean? Look a bit hard to use. What is this? Why has it got... What on earth are they? Knitting marking pins. That's told me. So there's lots of little kits. Hooks. Looks like they're doing their own hooks now. HobbyCraft hooks. Just their own branded ones. And here we are with the big fat knitting needles. Hang on a minute, put that down. Sorry, I had stuff in my hands there. I'm carrying this, I don't know which size, 8mm. I can't remember what ones I bought. I don't believe it was 8 though. The size of those 15s. They're not expensive though. And I guess if I did get the wrong one, 5s. I don't remember what I got. Isn't that awful? Should go back and look at my video and find out. I don't think I've got that size though. We'll have a little look. Sorry. Moving quickly. That's one of those duos. Some of that over here. So the shawl yarn. See, they only picked that gold one up, but that was the only one they had of it. It's all pink now, and still got the black and white, but mostly it's the pinks that they're left with, and the one gold one. I wouldn't mind, but it's not enough to make something with. It's not really enough. These are the duos. They're kind of made for socks. I've never made a sock, so don't think I'll give it a try. So I'm just going to move up the store, see if there's got anything in the discount bit. So I've got some nice other crafts in here though. Quite like this. Don't really use the try and put this in the other hand, that's better. So in the same hand as the basket was making me wobble a bit. So they've moved everything in here. Got the Christmassy stuff. This is the clearance section. So lots and lots of bits and bobs, but they used to have a big old piece of yarn up here, like big old section. They don't so much now, but it's always the same stuff. It's always this boucle wonderland would be nice for a Christmas project though, in green, wouldn't it? Not that I feel like it, because it's still £3.50. I've got it in the red, 150 grams. Make a nice Christmas project though. And then there's this get your fluff on in these colours, which I'm never really keen on. £3.50 again. What's this? Wadding. Scalloped bags. Scallop bags. Really? I suppose it's padding. £22 even in the sale. Don't think I'll be getting that. So yeah, that's it really. That's all the yarn. There's less and less on the shelves every time we come here. Oh look, we can make our own masks. Not the right kind though. And lots and lots in here for making stuff. I wouldn't mind that mannequin though. Do need one of those. So thanks for watching. And I'm going to go make it to the checkout. And then we're going to go Christmas shopping. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now, everyone.